Okay, your CSTs that were assigned for tonight are all explained here. I will go through what happens in a typical class first. First of all, this particular situation, we had the second period just took their test, and we just did the last ones. And overall for the class, you want to look at columns 7 through 12. And that's what we actually did. So you can see a lot of people have a lot of things to learn, and hopefully you'll be able to pick that up as you go through the questions that I've set up for you. And actually the answers is what I meant to say. And so we'll start right here. Here's how the this period did on this particular question. And you can see that more than half the class actually understood this, which is good. And here is your explanation. Let's go to the next one, and you can stop this anytime you want as you're watching it at home and read this stuff and hopefully really get this into your guts so that you understand it well. Okay, the next question went like this, and C was the correct answer, and more than half of the class got this one correct, which is good. And here's your reasons for that. And then we'll go on to question 9. And in question 9, we had, again, more than half the class getting it correct. So the classes did fairly well with this. And here's your answer or the reason why that answer is correct. Then on question number 10, the correct answer was D, and you see there was a lot more good responses on this one. And here are your reasons, which you want to study if you had any problem with this. Here's number 11, and the class did not do too well on this one. Okay, fortunately the biggest minority was the B, but still a lot of people had problems with this, and this will help you understand the reasons for this particular question being correct. And here's your last one. This is talking about radioactivity, and that's something that we covered in chapter 4. So that's where you want to go for a lot of the stuff that is in this particular set of questions. So hope you find this helpful, and here's your reasons for number 12. Okay.